Hello, and welcome to Hagie Manufacturing. My name is Kristi Thoman, and I am the Operations Manager here at Hagie. Today I'm going to take you through what our factory produces, as well as the functional areas that are represented here at Hagie in Clarion, Iowa. At Hagie, we design and manufacture high-clearance sprayers that allow our customers to enter the field any day by allowing our machine to enter tall crop due to clearance and lighter weight. Along with sprayers, we also design and manufacture detasselers, attachments for high-capacity nutrient applicators, and custom solutions for our customers. Throughout our factory, we have 4 main operations. In our fabrication department, we use lasers, brake presses, and lathes to create steel parts. In our weld department, we weld both steel and aluminum components for our machines. In our paint department, we have a large and small paint line where parts get painted based on size and dimension. And in our assembly department, we have smart torque tools to ensure we do not have any loose parts, leaks in hydraulic joints, or missing parts, as well as mistake proofing to ensure we have assembled the sprayer correctly. In all areas of Hagie, we are focused on delivering quality products to our customers through inspection and factory testing in a safe environment. We also design and test all of our sprayers on site in Clarion, Iowa. Our design engineers are focused on delivering customer needs by developing the newest technology on our machines, and our product verification and validation engineers test that new technology to ensure our customers will be satisfied. At Hagie, we have an extreme focus on rapid innovation and ensuring we are meeting our customer needs. Operations and engineering would not be possible at Hagie without a strong support system of functional areas that include the following: human resources, accounting, order fulfillment, IT, manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, safety, environmental, program management, material flow, production planning, customer support, marketing, custom solutions, documentation, and supply management. Hagie offers a wide range of career opportunities, and I encourage you to check us out. Lastly, our company believes in 4 main ambitions: build a legendary team, never screw the customer, provide kick-ass products, and build a business as great as our products. Our team is focused on improving each of these ambitions, and we have built our business plan around this. In 2022, we will be celebrating 75 years in business, and it's something that we are extremely proud of. We offer great pay and benefits and believe in working hard and playing hard. Once we are through COVID-19, I invite you to visit us and take a tour of Hagie Manufacturing to see what all we have to offer. In the meantime, please check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and the web. Thank you and have a great day.